Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. This time it's early inserts. Look what I got when I got home. Isn't this just lovely? P&G for December and with my favorite FedEx. Alright, so let's just go through one insert. Isn't that a pretty cover? Nice festive holiday seasoning. Oh, it just looks good. The first page here. Tidings of joy. Clean, clean, clean. First off, here we go. Buy one, get one free on the 9-element liquid dish, multi-purpose, or bath cleaner. And you get one liquid dish soap, multi-purpose cleaner, or bathroom cleaner for free, up to $4.99. I said I was gonna try it, and now I am going to. $3 off on laundry detergent, $3 off at a purifying softener. Yes, I'm gonna try that. All right, y'all, here go these Tricky Tide coupons. So $3 off one of the large Tide pods, $3 off two on the smaller Tide pods, excuse me. $3 on one of the larger liquids, $3 off two on the smaller liquids. Pay attention to that. Then we have $3 off any one Downy fabric conditioner, the dryer sheets, or the in-wash boosters. $1 off. Then we have $2 off. At the bottom, we got $3 off of draft. Moving right along, we have $1 off of Swiffer products. We have $1.50 off of one Vicks Vapo product. It excludes Dayquil, NyQuil, Sinex Formula 44, and Trial and Travel sizes. $5 off one Oral-B water flosser. $10 on two Oral-B replacement heads, 3-count or larger. $2 on one adult or kids battery toothbrush. Over here we have $2 on one Febreze Unstoppables Touch fabric spray. Here we go with some more BOGOs on our Febreze spray. Holiday scents, vanilla, cranberry, and pine. You see my deep freezer? I love that pine smell. And it's funny because they're not hanging up. I have these little brooms that I found. They were only $1 in Kroger. They're the cinnamon brooms. They're just like the big brooms you put in your house that have that cinnamon smell for the holidays. I love those things. I have them hanging all over. 50 cents off one dishwashing liquid or foam, or the Power Wash spray. Buy two, get two Cascade Action Bags, 10 count or larger. I'm sorry, I'm reading that wrong. Buy two Cascade Action Packs, 10 packs or larger. Get one Cascade Rinse Aid free up to $4.50. There it is. Buy two and get one. You have to buy two of these to get one of these. Don't confuse it with this. This is a buy one, get one. Next, we have $2 off of Fix-It, the twin or triple pack. $2 on one Oral-B manual adult toothbrush. $3 on one clip. $1 on one mouthwash. $5 on whitening emulsion. $5 on white strips, 50 cents on children's toothpaste, $5 on one Oral-B Kids rechargeable electric toothbrush. Here we go with Bounty and Charmin, $1, 4-pack or larger. Same with Charmin. Puffs has $1 off one multi-pack box or larger. That would have to be 3 boxes or more. Here you get 25 cents off of 1 Charmin flushable wipes. Got the advertisement over here, digital promos. If you scan the QR code or go to P&G every day. Next page, we have Olay, $10 off 2 and $2 off of 1 facial cleanser. Next page, Herbal Essences, 4 off 2. Head and Shoulders, 3 off 2. Burt's Bees, $2 off 1. $2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. $7 on 3 Always Discreet. That would be a good one at CVS. Over here, brands you trust, spend 50, get 15. Or spend 20, get 5. There you are. You need to purchase the Bounty, Charmin, Gain, Downy, Bounce, Draft, 9 Elements, Always, Tampax, Safeguard, Gillette, Olay, Old Spice, and Head and Shoulders in order to have the rebate correct. We have $3 on 1 Gillette razor or blade refill and $3 on 1 Venus razor. Wonder why they don't have refills for those, the coupons for those refills anymore for women. 50 cents on 1 Pepto, $2 on 1 Prilosec, $3 on 1 Nervive, $2 on stress ball products, $2 on 1 Sinex product, $2 on Vicks Children's Cough or Children's Cough and Congestion, the Vapor Rub, the Baby Rub, the Botanicals Immunity product, $2 on Vicks Dayquil, NyQuil, or Formula 44 products. And last page, $1 on 2 Old Spice antiperspirants, deodorant, body wash, bar soap. $1 on 1 Olay 4-bar body wash, rinse off body conditioner, liquid hand soap, or hand and body lotion. These coupons are becoming so rinky-dink. Here we have buy one, get one on the Secret Dry Spray up to $5.99. And $2 on 1 Secret Clinical, Secret Essential Oils, or Secret Derma Plus Antiperspirant. Well, ladies and gents, that's it for the P&G. That's all I have. Let's see what gift ideas we can come up with. What are you guys doing for gift ideas? Are you pulling names? Are you just buying gifts for everyone? What are you doing this year? That's what I would like to know. As for us, you all know we have 6 daughters and 2 grandsons. Our children are spread out throughout 3 to 4 states and a different country. We have one that is in the Army in South Korea. She won't be home until the 13th of December. That is fine. I am anticipating her. I'm waiting to love on her when she get here. Anytime I can have all of my kids together, it is a blessing. I haven't had that since they all lived in the house because they've either gotten married, gone to college, or started their lives somewhere else. They call me like crazy all day, every day, but I just miss them. I really miss them in the holidays. I wish they were babies again sometimes. And then I jump and snap up out of that real quick. Me, my husband, and Santiago are just fine at home with the beautiful quietness that we get. Don't get me wrong, I love my kids and miss them, but when the house, I'm just not used to a lot of noise anymore. Anyways, that's all I have for you all today. You all like, comment, subscribe, share, all those good things that I always ask you all to do so that you'll be able to see more of my videos on time, every time. Anyways, that's all I have again for you. See you on the next one. Bye.